This is Mahmoud and Mehruz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we will going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view. In other sketch, we see the top view, front view, and other view. But in here, we have the isometric view, and all the dimensions are located in the isometric view. So first of all, I will draw this full cube shape. This full cube shape. Then after drawing that full cube shape, I will then cut all these three portion from it. Okay, so for doing this, the first of all I will draw a rectangle in the top plane. The rectangle has a dimension of 64 by 88. Then I will extrude boss that rectangle to 75 unit. Okay, now selecting the top plane, now sketch, now select the center rectangle, now dimension it to 64 by 88. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 75 unit. Now press OK. Then in here I will then extrude cut this portion. For extrude cutting this portion, we can see that it has a vertical distance of 38 unit and a horizontal distance of 64 minus 16 unit. Then I will extrude cut it to 25 unit. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle of vertical dimension of 38 unit and horizontal dimension of 64 minus 16 unit. Dimension will be 64 minus 16 unit. Okay, now isometric it. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 25 unit. Now press OK. After that, we can see that we have another extrude cut rectangle here, and this rectangle has a horizontal dimension of 38 unit and a vertical dimension of 75 minus 20 unit. Then I will extrude cut it to 64 minus 51 unit. Okay, I am now selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now again select the corner rectangle. Place the corner rectangle here and dimension it to. It has a vertical distance of 74 minus 20 unit and a horizontal distance of 38 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 64 minus 51 unit. Now press OK. So after that, we can see that we have a horizontal line here and another horizontal line like here, and this is distance from this line to 15 unit, and we can see if this gap is 35 minus 15, which means 20, and also here this is 20 unit. So we can see that if we draw a L-shaped line like here, then I will offset a 20 offset like here, then I will extrude cut, and then I will extrude cut it to 15 unit. So I'm selecting this upper face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now draw a horizontal line, and this horizontal line has a dimension of 53 plus 20 unit, so which will be 73 unit. After that, and now go to smart dimension. Now dimension it to 15 unit from here. Now press OK. Now again select line and draw a vertical line. Now we are going to select the offset entities and dimension it to 20 units. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 15 unit. Now press OK. As you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.